Well, I'm 38, and my hair, I noticed, started to thin about 5 years ago. It really shocked me because I never look at the back of my head. And so when I saw that for the first time, it really got me, and I knew I needed to find a solution. I have tried other topical formulas that would promise stronger, longer, thicker hair, and a few $100s later, realized it didn't work out for me. I came across Toppik. I ordered the product, did as the directions said, which was pretty easy. Moments later, it was gone. All my problems were done, fixed in just a brief moment. When people compliment me on my hair, it feels amazing. They always say that it looks soft and shiny, and it just looks really natural. Toppik has made a difference in my life. I am able to wear my hair down and not be shy and not be self-conscious. It's amazing.